Hello, this is Kathy from your success team at MIFOinc. Today I'd like to go over the current earning report. As you can see from your home screen, one of the options is current earnings. The dollar value indicated is the total incentive dollars that have been actually earned to date. Clicking anywhere on the tile brings you directly to the current earning report. As you can see, you have the option to select all health plans that the provider participates with, or any one. You can see the dollar amounts are changing based on the health plan selected. Selecting all takes you back to a full visual. This display indicates by health plan how many dollars have actually been earned to date. In this display, you'll see that for Affinity, for this practice, $127,615 have been earned. Going over to the next display, Current Earnings by Measure, you'll see for each of these various measures, the total dollar amounts that have been earned to date. For example, for Well Child Visit 3 to 6 years, $40,120 have currently been earned. Selecting any one of these bars will show the display below for only that individual measure. For example, Adolescent Well Care Visit shows the current earnings only for that measure. Same as by selecting the next bar, Well Child Visit. Going back up and selecting twice on a bar takes you back to the full view. The chart below, Current Earnings by Measure, shows by each insurance carrier, by measure, the total payment amount for that measure by health plan. The numerator indicates how many actual patients were seen within that measure for that health plan, and the total dollars that have been earned. Below, you will see the total dollar amount for all health plans and all measures, which you can see is equivalent to the total dollars that are shown in the top display. Selecting the home screen will take you back to the home screen and the ability to look at accrued earnings as well as today's action list. Accrued earnings and today's action list will be reviewed in future modules.